Hello everybody. Well, today I am going to show you the construction progress of my Monogram 1 to 48 PBY5 Catalina. Kit number is 85-5609er, as you can see here. 85-5609. And now, I'm going to show you what's going on here. Now, I consider the kit done once I apply the pitot tube and the propellers, along with other decals, which are of course the stars, as you can see right here in the bag. These will be fun because I'll take a star off, put it on the wing, and a red dot in the center. And now I have to get the propellers out and glue the pitot tube on. Now the propellers I'm not going to glue to signify that they spin. Now on one of the parts, as you can see here, I'm removing a particular part. I'm not sure what it is. Like if you see an asterisk saying to remove a part, or a piece from a part that is, that's what you gotta do. It's part of assembly. I've actually learned that when I started building models. I really got into it when I was 13, but I've had previous glue model building experience before when I was 9. That didn't go too well. But then from there, I think 48 months later, I got better at model building after receiving a model as a birthday present. So I decided, yes, I was going to do more. There are the props. Left side goes first. It should not be too bad. Now I gotta do the pitot tube. And yes, after I apply the pitot tube, I consider the kit done. Every single part is used. This is one of those kits where I've used every single part. Okay, this pitot tube here is part number 6. You now see me removing it from the sprue. Now, the reason why I'm showing you the pitot tube is because of how important that thing is when it comes to flying. Because it's pretty much the eyes, for the cockpit. And when the wind flows through that pitot tube, it gives readings back to the cockpit about how fast the plane is going. And of course, if that's covered by duct tape, the pilot would not really know what's going on, and he or she will get false readings. This happened at Aero Peru flight number 603 on October the 2nd of 1996. So what happened on that flight was the airplane was just finished, going through a cleaning procedure. Then from there, the ground crew forgot to remove the duct tape when they were specifically told not to use it. Then from there, the aircraft did well during the takeoff, and it was at night to make matters worse. Then from there, the Boeing 757, November 5-2 Alpha Whiskey, takes off from Lima, Peru, and it's dark outside, and the pilots get false readings on their altimeters, and they decide to come back to the Lima airport. Then from there, the aircraft crashes into the Pacific Ocean. You'll find this in Air Crash Investigation episode Flying Blind. It's in season 2, I know for a fact. I'm not sure the episode number. Just so you know, Air Crash Investigation, season 2, Flying Blind. Well now, I'm just going to let this dry. Then I'll apply decals. Then she'll be ready to be hung. My next project, I intend to be as a UH-34 by Revell. A helicopter that looks like a grasshopper. Now, with that being the case, that's it for all the gluing for my monogram PBY Catalina. And this is the construction progress so far, and I say I've made a lot of progress. Every single plastic part is used. And after decaling the other decals, like I said, she'll be ready to be hung on my ceiling. Well, now, I will see you all around.